So there are different platforms you can import things from China, like different apps in which you can use to, buy things from China, just like our local platforms that you can buy things from, like other things from. Do you get? Just like our Jumia, our Gigi. That's how you can buy things also from China and import down to your country. Anywhere you are, or you are in Africa, you are in the European countries, you can actually import. Okay, it's not limited to just African countries. You can import from the Europe, okay, the US, the UK, Canada, anywhere you are, or you want to import from China, you can actually do that. Okay, so these platforms that you can import from, there are different platforms with their different uses, their own importance. Like when I say importance, like different things you can order from there. Like when you want a particular item, there is an app you can go for to get, your desired results. Do you get? So we know some of them and they are really, really popular. There are some that are not really popular like that because people don't really use them, maybe due to complications of registering and all of that. Yes, Chinese platforms are really, 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 really annoying sometimes. Like to register, to be on the platform itself can be frustrating at times. Like it can really be frustrating. So that is why somehow it is good to get a coach, get someone that can be putting you through whenever maybe you have some difficulty or you need an assistant, someone you can run to, for any question, anything you want clarifications for. Do you get? So these platforms now, I'm going to talk about them and how they operate. Okay, so the first one on my list is Alibaba. We all know when it comes to China importation, Alibaba is like their godfather. Do you get? So you can import your things from Alibaba, and Alibaba also is kind of straightforward. It is easy to create, okay, to download the app also. So Alibaba is easy to install. All you have to do is just go to your Play Store, go to your iOS store and install. Just type in your Alibaba. It is also very easy to sign up there. It's either you use your phone number or use your email, but it's more easier to sign up with your email, okay? So for you to start buying there, which I already said, you have to have the app. After getting the app, they have a website, but I think the app is kind of easier to navigate, okay? So once you download the app, then you sign up using your email. Once you sign up with your email, then you can now search for whatever you want to search for and chat up the suppliers. You have to follow some kind of, cautions so that you're not force scam. All of these platforms, you have to be careful with it so you know what you are doing. Don't just go and buy because you want to buy. You have to do your findings very well before you buy to avoid stories that touch, to avoid being scammed. There's no money that is small money now. I mean, the whole world is facing it, okay? Chinese currency now, 5 RMB, like as little as 5 RMB is as much as 1,000 plus in Nigerian currency. Do you get? Chinese 5 RMB is our 1,000 Naira plus. For other countries, you can do your exchange to see how much it is. So you should know that any little money you spend, like, is money. Do you get? And you have to do your research well so that you don't go and buy overpriced item. As you're doing your research to look for good suppliers, you should also do research to get good quality at low price. I mean, all the platforms are competitive. You won't see just one supplier selling there. You'll see varieties of stores, if not more than 20 stores, selling just a particular item. Do you get? So if you add up the 5 RMB times 5, which is 25 RMB, that should be like close to 7,000 or thereabouts. Maybe 5,000 or thereabouts. Do you get to your addition? So no matter how little the money is, it is still large, because if you top up those small money that you think is nothing, at the end of the day, it's something. So you do your research where to know, to get prices that are low, but the quality are good. How will you know the quality are good? It's through checking your reviews. All of these platforms, they have reviews. If you don't see a review on a store and their store rating is not good, most especially their return rates, okay? Once their return rate is not good, then there's no need of you buying from the store, no matter how you want the products, okay? Check for other stores. Like I said, there are more than 20 stores selling that particular product you are looking for, okay? So watch out for scammers, watch out for quality, and also watch out for prices. Don't just buy because you want to buy, just because the store is good, there's reviews there. No. Look for prices that are still lesser. You will see. Search, you will see. Do you get? So Alibaba is one of the top apps you can buy items from China, you can import from, okay? And their means of payment is also easy, okay? You can make payments directly to suppliers. You can use PayPal, you can use money, is it MoneyGram? Okay, they have different payment method. Each platform have their own payment method, okay? So you can pay your suppliers directly. You can pay them anyhow you want to pay them. You can ask them all these questions, okay? And most importantly, when you're buying on Alibaba, make sure you go for the ones that accept trade assurance. That trade assurance means your money is covered. Once you receive your item and it is not what you ordered, Alibaba will back you up and send your money back for you. Like after the inspection between you and the supplier to know who is saying the truth. You understand? And also, if your item was not delivered, you can get your money back. So always go for suppliers that have that trade insurance for security purpose, for your money to be safe, okay? So the next app I'll be talking about is AliExpress. Yes. In fact, one of the I think my third order from China was from AliExpress. Yeah, my first and second order I ordered from 6088. Then importation was very, very new. That was when importation just started. So I've been in this game for a very long time. Okay, I've taught many people how to import, and by God's grace, we are still growing. Okay, and I just started my channel, I think 7 months ago. So I thank God for the turnout, for the watch views, for those that are subscribing. So let me use this opportunity, please. If you're just coming across my video for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Put on your notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, and don't forget to like this video. Okay, as you're watching my videos, you can like it. Okay? So you can buy or import from AliExpress. In fact, I think one of the apps I love so much, Chinese apps I love so much. My phone is down, like my battery is very low. I forgot to charge it. That's why the video is kind of lagging. Okay, you might notice it. I don't know. Yeah. So one of my favorite apps is AliExpress. Just that their prices are kind of expensive there. Yeah, it's expensive. Once you are familiar with 68 with Pinduoduo, you know that AliExpress is expensive. AliExpress is just for like the end users, okay? Those that don't want to pass through stress. Those ones that don't want to, go for coaching, don't want to, start looking for Alipay, for payment, all of those stuff. But their things are really expensive, but I love that app, okay? In as much as they are expensive, to me, I think it's still favorable because I imported from that app I used AliExpress for some time before I stopped and, entered into 68 again, right? And all those times that I bought from AliExpress, they were delivered free. So you can buy from AliExpress and get it delivered to your country free without paying shipping fee. Okay, I don't know how they do it, but the prices are okay. Like you can do your comparison with different stores to know which one you want to buy from. Okay, and also note that not all stores offers free shipping. Okay, so when it gets to your country, the post office is going to call you. Then you go and pick it up, or you can, option for delivery for it to be delivered to your doorstep, which obviously you're going to pay for delivery fee. Okay, so for all the times that I imported from AliExpress, I imported watches there, like normal gold wristwatches. I imported smartwatches. Those were the products like I sold very, very well, and I bought them from AliExpress. And what made me go to AliExpress was because of the payment issues and all of that. Like I said, importation before is not like now. Importation now is kind of easy. I mean, you get many people telling you about it, teaching you about it. If you are very fortunate, if you're lucky, you get to meet the best ones that will teach you very well. Then importation, 2015. 2015 importation was crazy. In fact, it was copy and paste we were doing, like as they learn a copy and paste. So we had to dive into maybe register for more classes to get the points that you didn't get before. Plus, you have to do self-learning, okay? You play around the app, you learn many things all by yourself. That was how I got to where I am today, okay? Plus, group of importers coming together, sharing ideas. So that is how far I have come, okay? So once you buy from AliExpress, you can get it delivered to you to your country for free without paying shipping fee, okay? But just know that their prices there are kind of high. They're pricey, yes, they're really pricey, okay? So getting your AliExpress is easy also, like the Alibaba. You just go to your Play Store, you download the app, sign up also, you sign up with your email address, okay? It's that easy. So the next one I'll be talking about is 6088. Yeah, 6088, when it comes to like the children of importation, like if you're talking of apps that are the second class of importation, then 6088 comes first. It's just like Alibaba, okay? It is one of the most patronized app, one of the app that people import from the most, okay? So the 6088 is kind of tricky and difficult to sign up now, okay? So the 6088 app, for you to use the 6088 app, is either you have 2 accounts which are like interjoined together, okay? They are just like 3-in-1 app. 6088, Taobao, and Alipay, okay? If you have an Alipay account, you can use it to sign up your 6088. If you have a Taobao account, you can use it to sign up your 6088, right? So you can create accounts on either of it, on on Alibaba or on Taobao. Now, if you use Alibaba to access your 6088, it is good. You can use it to learn, and maybe you sign up for a class, or just as you're watching, you're learning how to import from YouTube. So you can sign up with your Alipay, link it together, and use it to practice it or do whatever you want to do with it, or you can use it to make payments, okay? The most importance of Alipay is the payment feature, okay? If you don't verify your Alipay, is as good as useless. It's not like WeChat that you can chat with suppliers there. You can use it to run many things there. But Alipay is more like just for payment purpose. Yes, you can link it to your 688, but you can't use it to make payments. Sorry, you have to verify it till you get. So you can also use your Taobao, like I said, to oh sorry, I'm reading the message. So you can also use your Taobao to sign up on 6088. Okay, so once you access your 6088, go through my channel. You can learn how to import, to buy, to whatever you want to do on 6088. Okay, but still, if you still want one-on-one coaching, okay, you want to go deep into it, you want to know every corner of it, then don't forget to chat me up. My link is in the bio. Okay, just send me a message on WhatsApp. Okay, so aside from the 6088, there's another one called Taobao. That Taobao now is good for, phone, like your gadgets, your appliances, some of the appliances, okay, like your gadgets. You get to see them more on Taobao, and that one also is easy to create. Just go to your system, your Play Store, you download the app, you sign up there. You understand? You can sign up with your phone number. You can use your Alipay to link it any way you want to do it. You can make your payment with your Alipay there also. It's kind of easy also. Okay, it's just more like 6088. Okay, so there's another one also called Pinduoduo. Just as I said, I love AliExpress so much. That's how I love Pinduoduo so much. In fact, one of my best apps is Pinduoduo, because the prices there are very, 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 very cheap. Not like cheap, but they are okay somehow compared to 6088. Some of their prices are really, really better than 6088. Okay, but on most cases, 6088 prices are better than Pinduoduo. So don't say because I said they are cheap, then you now focus on Pinduoduo and leave 6088. No. The prices depends on what you're getting, on what you're buying. But one of the reasons why I like or love Pinduoduo so much is because of the reviews. Unlike 1688, where you have to look for reviews up and down, you need to check for store quality, their return rate, their store rating, their general rating, all the ratings you get. When it comes to Pinduoduo, we don't even really look out for all of those things because the reviews alone. And when I say reviews, I'm not saying written review like 6088 that you just see written review. This product is nice. It's good quality. No, you are seeing pictures, not just pictures. You are seeing videos. People are posting videos of the products. Pinduoduo is like their local app there where they buy things from. Do you get? So you get to see plenty reviews. The reviews on Pinduoduo choke, like, is plenty. Like, I love that app so much. Like, it will be very difficult for you to be scammed on Pinduoduo. Yeah, the chances are very, very low. Yeah, very, very low. And their local delivery is fast. Yeah, I love their local delivery fee. Like, I've never for once gone to Pinduoduo to get a refund. Maybe because supplier did not deliver fast, or he did not even deliver at all. Then I'll go and get a refund. I've never for once since I started buying from Pinduoduo. But you see 6088, most time you order 5 days, supplier has not sent it out. He might even lie that he sent it out. Meanwhile, he has not sent it out. And worst case, I even talk about it in one of the videos I uploaded. The system, which is 6088, might show you that that product has been signed up for, which is it has been delivered. Meanwhile, supplier did not even send it out for delivery. So I don't know if it is a system error or whatever it is. So you have to be very cautious when you're buying on 6088. You have to be on your toes, yeah? Be alert so that you know what you're doing. But on Pinduoduo, you won't see cases like that. Reviews is plenty. You click on the video reviews, you get to see plenty reviews that people bought, and they upload the video of it. So you see a clear view of the item, how quality it is, how nice it is, the color, everything. So those are the top apps for me. There are other apps also like the JD. Okay, there's there are plenty. There are apps that there are plenty, but these are the top ones that you can buy from, like you can import from, that are really popular and kind of easy to navigate. Okay, so please, guys, I know you've learned something. You can also drop a comment. Maybe you have a question, or I would answer you in the comment section. Okay, and please don't forget to like this video. I know you find it valuable, informative. So please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, and put on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so these are the top apps you can import from China, and any of the apps that you're using to import, from the first one I listed to the last one, you will need a forwarder to deliver it from China to, like, the supplier will deliver it from his warehouse to the forwarder, and the forwarder stands in place of shipping companies. So you need shipping companies to get things done since you're not in China, or you use an agent. Okay, so just know that if you're using an agent, you're paying more. Okay, so once you get your shipping company, you do your chatting with them, get all the inquiries you want to get. So once supplier is done with your order, supplier is going to send it to the shipping company. Shipping company in return would bring it to your country for you. Then you go and pick it up. Okay, so that is how it is done.